Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. The other day in one of my classes we ended up talking about stains, as you do. And one student was talking about ways of getting rid of red wine stains. You know, where you've spilt some red wine onto a shirt or a tablecloth or a carpet or something. And obviously, it's always good to pick up a few life hacks from people who maybe have a bit more experience than you. So I was quite intrigued by what she had to say. And apparently, the best way to get red wine stains out is to use salt. You rub the salt into the red wine stain and then you leave it and then you hoover it up or clean it off. Failing that, she added, you can also use flour instead of salt. We often use failing that to introduce alternatives in case what we've just said isn't possible. So you might tell someone, for example, Guy, if you're stressed, you really need to try and find someone that you can talk things through with. Failing that, maybe just try writing down your feelings and at least getting them out of your system that way. Maybe when you're kind of giving someone advice, you might say something like, yeah, so for this recipe, you need silken tofu. You can usually find it in the big supermarkets. Failing that, try a specialist Chinese store or order online. And I saw on Twitter this morning, actually, there was a BBC article about the articles that are most shoplifted, the goods which people steal the most from shops in London. And it said baby products are the single most shoplifted items from shops in London. And someone had responded underneath saying, well, make them free, or failing that, at least more affordable. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use failing that.